So, if you want to replace the battery here on your Logitech MX Master 3, well, this one is kind of complicated, but you could definitely do it yourself. But be careful, you'll be accessing the internal components here. So, before starting here, make sure you have a compatible replacement battery. So, the MX Master 3 uses a rechargeable lithium ion cell, which eventually wears out after many charge cycles. So, what do you need to do? So first you want to flip the mouse over and look at the four felt pads that you should be seeing in here. So under these pads are the screws that hold the mouse together. So be aware that the adhesives under these pads is very strong, so they can be tricky to remove without damaging them. So use a thin tool or your fingernail here to gently lift them off, or carefully removing them. But yeah, so once the pads are off, you'll see the screws underneath. So most can be removed with a small Phillips screwdriver, but at least one requires a T5 Torx screwdriver. So remove all screws here and keep them safe, because again, you'll still be using them later on to basically keep your mouse together again later on if you close it up. So yeah, next thing that you want to do is you want to gently pry the mouse apart. So inside you'll notice a small ribbon cable connecting it to two halves. Do not pull on the cable directly. Use a tool or a finch nail to carefully pop up the connector tab and detach it basically. So yeah, so the battery sits inside the housing here with some adhesives holding it down. So work it loose slowly by wiggling it back and forth until it actually comes free. Now be patient and be careful here so you don't damage the casing. So this one is really important. You need to be really gentle about this one. But yeah, so next is you want to place the battery in the same slot here. Press it gently into position and reconnect it to the board. Now you want to go and reconnect the cable again, close the mouse shell, and reinsert the screws here. And finally, just stick the felt pads back in place, and pretty much you're good to go. But yeah, so that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.